Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
It's your two favorite dirty men coming back at you live. Today, we have lots of action planned. We have some equipment. We got a Bobcat. We got a dump trailer. We got a jackhammer and concrete saw. And finally, I have concrete lined up. We are pouring a slab in this building next Wednesday.
Nice.
So 5 days from now. And the concrete guy was just by this morning. And I have a little bit of prep work to do for them. So this ramp, I don't know if you can see it on camera, this has got to get cut out, chipped out, so that the concrete can be poured. All this will be replaced. So we're going to cut probably some relief cuts to control the chaos. And we're going to pour everything new right up to the sidewalk. So today's plan is to do exactly what I just said. We're gonna move some of this extra gravel back in the corner back there and fill that hole with that. And then the loose concrete will load with the skid steer into the dump trailer and make it go away. So yeah, time to have fun. You ready?
Ready.
Doing?
I'm making big rocks into little rocks, sir.
It's funny, when I pointed the camera at you, that's exactly what I thought. Hi. Hi.
You want to give this a shot?
What?
At least you have your protective footwear on.
Yeah, thank God.
That's so nice to see you out of the house. Quarantine. You're doing great.
Thank you.
Look at that. There's so many little rocks now. You know, it's funny, I was driving through the quarry a few weeks ago, and it just dawned on me, like, there must be some people out there that are like, just know gravel as gravel. And it's like, you just get gravel from the gravel place. It's like, well, all gravel was big rocks at one point.
Yeah.
That they made into smaller rocks.
Yeah. With a very big machine.
Yeah, with a big grinder and, well, not, yeah, the large version of this.
Yeah.
The application of force. I guess I'll try to flip that one, huh? Well, there we go. That was, I think that's the first thing in a long time that took as long as I thought it was going to take.
Oh.
Much of the stuff of this project has taken way longer than I thought it was going to
That
take.
took less time than I thought.
Yeah.
I thought that was going to be a bear. But we worked.
Well, we're bears. Well, not in the sense, I think bear is the term for like a big hairy gay man.
That's right. Not that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're everything except the last part.
Yeah.
Not that there's anything wrong with that.
It's fine.
To quote Seinfeld, wasn't it right?
Yeah, not my preference.
But we're good. So we got we'll neaten this up a little bit, level it out as much as we can, probably blend some of the good gravel into the pits. And then there was some patch here that we had to cut up and get rid of. And yeah, I think everything else that's left is going to be a nice, flat, predictable surface for the new slab to lay on. And now we just got to get rid of this concrete waste. And we're out here at a local demolition company's dumping yard to dump this load of fine, aged concrete. And I admit, I think we loaded this up a bit more than I thought we were going to, so I'm hoping the hydraulics in this dump trailer will do it.
I'm hoping your truck doesn't blow your transmission.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a good sign.
Music got the best in me. Ever since I was a child. Now it's showing its ugly face.
Couldn't have done it without this man right here. Look at this atlas of a man. Well, anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching as always, and we are one step closer to building cool stuff in this building.
Oh, can't wait. Can't wait.
Me either. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Abandons me when nights died out. What can I